Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates and also the multi-bagger tips. Now we are going to discuss about JSW ISPAT special products. So now we are going to discuss how the trading pattern will be. So you can see that today it is closed at 59.25. It is closed at 59.25 in NSE. So you can see here it is closed at 59.25, and you can see here around 1 crore shares are traded. Out of that, around 31 lakhs shares traded, taken delivery. So now we will discuss and how the trading pattern will be on the coming days. So we can see here that in the morning I made one video. I told that there will be, it will lock in upper circuit. After that there will be a shuffle. You can see here in that video already I specified that. And before also, when it was on lower circuit, I told that surely the price will reach up to around 58 and it will bounce back. So it was happened also. So now what will happen on the coming days, that we are going to discuss. So just you can see here the market capitalization is reached somewhere around 2782, and you can see the result is somewhere around 1477.10 of the quarterly result. So already I told you this market capitalization should be reached somewhere around 5000 crore to 25,000 crore in between. So it's a mid cap company. So 25,000 crore in between, that company should be within 2 to 3 years. So our target is 500 plus for long term, 2 to 3 years, and our short term target will be 125 plus. So when we will achieve this 125 price, so that we will discuss now. Before that, you can see here in the current trading section there was lot of shuffle was happened. In the first beginning itself there was a shuffle. After it locked in upper circuit, almost 1.5 hours it locked in upper circuit here. After that the shuffle was happened. Why this shuffle was happened, I told in the previous video. While I was making this video, on that particular day it was traded somewhere around 1.4 crore shares are traded, and the operator they missed the this thing share on this particular day. That's the reason they locked in lower circuit, and they tried to grab the share here, but they didn't achieve the share on the next day also. Our calculation was missed, and on the next day, on today, actually what they done, they tried to grab the share, but they didn't get that much of share because the retailers was very conscious, and they didn't lose the share. So what they are going to do from here now to grab the share, so what they will do is they will not ride a continuous rally from here. The bottom price, if you are holding share, please don't leave the share, because there will not be any major fall. So what they are going to do is they will drive a small rally from here. Maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow they will drive a small rally that will reach up to around 65 level, because our earlier high was somewhere around 67. So they will not reach up to 67, they will bring up to 65, and again they will drop the share here. So that is they are going to do their methodology will be this. So they will drop the share and they will bring up to around the previous bottom of around 58 will not touch. So it will becomes around 60 level, and again they will make the swing. So they will make the shuffle here, and this consolidation period will be somewhere around 1 to 2 months will be there. 2 months will be there. So after that, before the next result, surely they will start to ride the rally. So on this rally we will find 125 plus level. So our target will be around 1 to 2 months should be there for 125. If you are holding share, please don't leave it. Whenever you get lower, that means on each shuffle at the lowest position, take make the average and try to add the share in your portfolio. Surely this will be another multi-bagger from this current level. Already we are at 250 percentage, but don't leave at 250 percentage. Surely we will reach somewhere around 600 to 700 percentage in within 1 year. So this is a good share to accumulate right now at this right price. So thank you very much for watching my video, and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.